How to fix Instagram highlights not showing. So if you want to fix Instagram highlights not showing, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. And once you open up your Instagram, you need to go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. Go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar icon. And then you need to scroll down and go with hide story and live. And make sure that you've not hidden any person from your stories. So make sure that you've removed all of the persons. Once you've removed them, now what you need to do is the other thing, you need to open up your Play Store and go with search. Under search, you need to search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, if you have any updates, you need to simply go and install the updates. Once you install the updates, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then tap and hold on to that Instagram application. Go with the app info. Under your app info, you need to go with notifications. Make sure that you've turned on the notifications and make sure that you allow the permissions. Once done, you need to go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Now once done, you need to go back and you need to restart your device. So press and hold on to that power button and restart, and after restarting, go back to your Instagram and now it will fix your problem. So that's how you can fix Instagram highlights not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.